Good morning. Today I am showing you my cozy fall morning routine. Now, keep in mind my morning routine slightly varies by the day. So I am showing you my today routine. I am starting off strong by making my bed, which is a great habit to form. Aside from making my bed, another solid habit I formed in the morning is letting go of the ideas of perfection. You are not perfect. I am not perfect. Life is not perfect. We tend to focus on what we don't have, but we forget how blessed we really are. And I am very guilty of this. I forgot really how much of a blessing it is to wake up every morning or to have a place to sleep. So I start my day off with a gratitude mindset. Did you know there are so many benefits to walking in the morning besides weight loss? Walking can help reduce heart disease, lower blood pressure, and strengthen your joints. When I go on my morning walks, they are also different. One day it could be to work through some emotions about a situation. The other could be just to reconnect with nature. And sometimes I just put on a podcast and walk and walk and walk. Podcasts are now my thing. So please drop your podcast recommendations down below. I listen to all genres, so please put me on. routine consists of a little kaolin clay mixed in my cleanser. And if you have dry, acne-prone skin, please give this a try. It works wonders. Next, I apply my vitamin C serum cocktailed with my Ageless Skin Serum, some oil, and moisturizer. Nothing beats that first sip in the morning. Now it is time for breakfast, and I am having vanilla blueberry pancakes with the crispy edges, fresh berries, and matcha whipped cream. This breakfast was a dream. It was so good. I felt like this was something that would be served at a cute bistro cafe. It felt so elegant to eat it. Oh my gosh. Now it is time to water my plants. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.